Welcome, welcome, Aces musicians. So great to see you again. We are going to start with our Night is Coming Soon song. All right, let's see if we can get that pattern going again. And it goes like this: snap, pat, pat, clap, snap. Okay, so if I back up a little bit, it's going to go like this: snap, pat, pat, clap, snap, pat, pat, clap, snap. And there's a rest in there too, so it goes snap, pat, pat, claps. See if you can join me. Ready, go. Here comes the song. Ready, go. Night is coming soon and the day is done. Moon and stars out to have some fun. Night is coming soon and the day is done. Moon and stars out to have some fun. All right. See if you can sing with me this time, but don't do the pattern. Ready? And here we go. Night is coming soon and the day is done. Moon and stars out to have some fun. Night is coming soon and the day is done. Moon and stars out to have some fun. All right, thanks. We are going to start coming back to that song. We're going to try to learn how to play it. Let's move on. Today, we are going to talk about simple meter versus compound meter. Now, if you remember, we have been talking about compound meter. That's our do and do-da-dee notes, our rhythms. They fit into something called compound meter. So then we have to figure out, okay, so what is simple meter? What is compound meter? So we're going to talk about that today. Let's see what we got. Simple meter is anything that has a size 1 beat, okay? So compound meter is anything that has a size 1.5 beat, okay? Now, simple meter has these music notes, and these are the ones we started learning in first grade and have been learning ever since until this year. So we have 2/8 notes. We have a quarter note. We have quarter rest, and we have half note. Now you can see that there is 2 sounds on a beat for the 2/8 notes, 1 sound on 1 beat for the quarter rest or quarter note, 0 sounds because there's a beat of silence, but it still takes up 1 beat for the quarter rest, and this one has 1 sound, but it's stretched out over 2 beats for the half note. All these are simple meter music notes or rhythms. We could go like this: do-day do, do-day do, do-day 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 do. Your turn. Ready, go. That is simple meter. Try this one on your own. 1, 2, ready, go. Those are simple meter notes. So that means compound meter is anything with, or I should say, is anything with a size 1.5 beat, okay? So we have 3/8 notes. We have 3 sounds. It's still 1 beat, but it's a size 1.5 beat. It's a bigger beat than than simple meter. And dotted quarter note. Those are the 2 that we know so far. Okay? Now, we could do this rhythm, and it would go do-da-dee do, do-da-dee do, do-da-dee 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 do. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready and go. Do-da-dee-do, do-da-dee-do, do-da-dee-do-da-dee, do-da-dee-do. Try this one on your own. 1, 2, ready and go. All right. Oh, my fish in the sky is in compound meter. We talked about that last week. Okay, so it uses our dotted quarter note and our 3/8 notes. Let's say it together. 1, 2, ready and go. Oh my, fish in the sky, shoes on the ceiling and trees walking by, reaching up low, bending down high. Everything seems to be wrong, right? All right. Now, last week we talked about say I said the words, and then you said the rhythm language. So it was oh my, fish in the sky, and then you would respond do do da dee do. That is going to be your seesaw response today. So let's practice it one more time. Okay, you're going to say each section one at a time, words first, and then rhythm language, do or do da dee. Okay, so if I say oh my, fish in the sky, you respond ready go do do da dee do. Here's the next one. Shoes on the ceiling and trees walking by. That was do da dee do da dee do da dee do. Reaching up low, bending down high. Your turn, ready and go. Everything seems to be wrong, right? Your turn, ready and go. All right. So for Seesaw today, your job is to say the first section of Oh My Fish in the Sky with the words, and then say the first section with rhythm language. Okay? And then repeat those steps for all the sections of the rhyme. Okay? If you feel like you don't need to go section by section, if you feel like you can do the whole thing, great, go for it. But if you would like to go one at a time, that's fine too. All right, moving on to our virtual xylophone. It's at playxylo.com. Playxylo.com. This link is in your Seesaw activity as well. And to do this, what I really like is to try us to split our screen. So half of it is the video that you're watching and half of it is the xylophone. Here's how we're going to do that. Okay, first thing you need is to have two tabs open in your Chrome. The first one is the lesson video you're watching, and the second one is the xylophone. Okay, so if you go and click on that link that says playxylo.com, that should open up another tab. Then you are going to you're going to click on the video tab. It really doesn't matter which side is which, but if you click on the video tab and press the keys Alt and the bracket key, then it will make it take up 1/2 of your screen. And then all you're going to do is you're going to pull the other tab down a little bit so it's separated from the video. And then you're going to press Alt and the other bracket side, okay, at the same time. I have a Chromebook that is a little different than yours, but it works the same way. I know it's a little hard to see, but what I want you to know is that I have two tabs at the top. I know you can hardly see the screen. I have this tab, and right next to it, I have the xylophone tab, okay? If I click on the lesson video, I'm going to press Alt and the bracket. My bracket is way up here, okay? So I'm going to do that. And it snaps it to one side. Snaps it to one side. Then I have to click and drag on the other tab. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and I'm going to drag it down so that it can move. And then when I press Alt and the other bracket, it's split screen. Okay, so that you can watch the video and use the xylophone. Pause the video, see if you can get yours to do that. And hopefully you end up with a split screen so you can watch the video on one side and play on the other side. Once you get there, you can play with us and play with the number keys. So if I play number 1, then it's going to play a C. I mean, yes, you can click on each one, but that you can't really play any music like that then because you have to move your mouse and everything. If you use your number keys, you can start to play some songs. So if I demonstrate that right here, I was just pressing the number keys on my keyboard to do that. So here we go. Try it out. And here is our first pattern that we're going to play. Okay, we're looking at our music staff. We have this note right here. It's across from the M, which means it's going to be me. Okay. Remember, on our music staff, we read from left to right, just like we do a book, but we're reading all of these lines and spaces at the same time. So whatever note comes first, we play. Whatever note comes second, we play then. And whatever note comes third, we play third. Okay, ready? So this one's going to go mi, re, because it's across from the re, and D and do, it's across from the D. Ready? Mi, re, do. All right, you can play it or sing it, or both. Mi, re, do. Try that a couple times. Here's our next one. Just opposite. Do, re, mi. Your turn. Ready? And here we go. Next pattern. Mi, re, mi. Your turn. Ready? Go. Next pattern. Do, re, do. Do, do, re. Mi, mi, re. Re, re, mi. Re, re, do. All right. And we're going to just try one more thing. Now, I put these on here, these solfege labels or solfege syllables. And so you can see C is do right now, re is me. Oh, sorry, D is re, E is me. These are the ones we focused on in our patterns, but we're going to also explore these other ones too. So this is just a little warm up, and whenever we hopefully get back to school and are playing on real xylophones, we're going to practice this little warm up pattern. And it's going to go like this. Do, do, re, do. If I played that on my virtual xylophone, it would sound like this. Could you try that, please? Try it again. All right. Our next pattern is going to go like this. Do, re, mi, re, do. So now we're doing this pattern, but we're adding mi into it. Up and then down. You try it. Ready, go. Try it again. Ready, go. Cool. Our next pattern is going to go, we're going to add one more. We're going to skip over fa, but we're going to add sol. Okay, so now we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Try to say that with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. That would sound like. You try it. Ready, go. And if you need to go at a little slower pace, that's fine. If you can go at this pace, fine. Last pattern for our little warm up for today is adding la. So now we're going up, we're skipping over fa, which is number 4, going up to sol and la, and then coming back down. That would sound like this. Try that on your own. Ready, and here you go. All right. So that is just a little bit of a warm up with our virtual xylophone. Hopefully you were able to get there and figure out how to play it. And I know it gets a little weird with the lesson video happening and that happening. Thank you for all your work. Hopefully you were able to get it. If not, we'll try it again. Thank you, everyone. And that is all for today. I will see you again next week. Bye.